Hi, so I saw your video and I just have a few things to say. First, I wanted to address what you said about your dorm, how it's actually isolated, and so in a sense, it is less safe. Um, I just want to say, like, I'm guessing that you moved from your last dorm because of the partying. Maybe I could be wrong, but maybe like you said like there were people like you know smoking pot and whatnot um in the square and things. So I guess you moved away to get away from that, and I guess it kind of followed you. And that, yeah, I guess you kind of have to expect that. It's college, I guess. But just like the putting beer bottles in the door, I don't think you're the one that's crazy. I don't think you're the one that's being the idealist, so to speak. I think it's kind of everyone else, because if they really think that they are safe enough, that they are invincible enough to put beer bottles in the doors and just let anybody walk in, they're the ones that are being illogical. They're the ones that are thinking, oh yeah, you know, it's just a party, and it's in Canada, and like, I can't do the accent, I'm sorry, I have to go there. But, yeah, they're the ones that are being illogical about that because they think that, you know, people, scary people won't come in. So, yeah, I just wanted to say, like, it's not you being, overcautious. It's them not being cautious enough. Them being college kids and them not understanding that there are other people than just college kids coming to the party and they have other intentions. So, yeah, I just wanted to say that, like, it's not you. Like, I mean, the reason that you like assessed the other people before as like you tried not to discriminate and be like, oh, those are scary people, so I ought to stay away from them. Like, yeah, you're just trying not to be prejudiced, and like, it kind of stinks that sometimes our prejudice actually, in a way, can protect us. It's just that, like, no, I mean, the way I think about it, like, I mean, I don't know. Okay, there's something like we talked about in sociology, and it was called let me think of the term. It was like the looking glass, something with glass and mirrors. Anyway, the point was that you kind of take on the role that society reflects on you. So if you look like a scary person, then you kind of become the actor and play that role. And I'm not saying that's true for everyone, but I'm just saying that maybe sometimes our prejudice can be correct because those people do take on that role that people project onto them, like, oh, that's a scary person, so they become a scary person, and then we realize, and then, like, we kind of trust that, oh, those scary people aren't good because we put that role on them, and they kind of took that, and so we have a reason to be scared of them. But, like, I mean, I don't want to say that's for everyone who looks scary. It's not like everyone, is a bad guy, but I mean, sometimes maybe it's not such a bad thing to trust our instincts. But yeah, I mean, you're just trying not to be prejudiced, so yeah, I get that. I try to be the same way. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know that. And I'm going to try to talk to your mom sometime this week before she goes to see you on the weekend. I want to try to like work out, coming on Thanksgiving. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to do that. I don't know if you want like an update of like what's going on in Katie's room life. I don't know. There isn't really much changing, I guess. I mean, we're gonna make bento boxes for CDC. I'm actually like the person running that, which is surprising because I can't really cook, but I'm trying. And it was like the things that Takuya taught us, like the scarecrow little creatures with like the tomato and the bacon and asparagus, and then like onigiri and things like that. So things that aren't necessarily too difficult. I mean, onigiri is maybe, but I have another person working with me on that. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Another thing. Wait, no, I don't. Okay, yeah. Just like. Okay, this is gross, but like, okay, like I've been writing a lot for college essays, but I've been like, I don't know, I kind of like some of them, like, it inspires me to write a story. Like, one of them I kind of wrote about, like, one of the first dinners I had with my French family, and I was kind of talking about, like, I don't know, the prompt was like, oh, what shows that you're adventurous and imaginative and all those things. And, like, I talk about the food and how, like, I don't know if I told you, but, like, how gross the first meal looked. And how, like, I ate it. And, yeah, like, I don't know, I just, it was kind of fun to remember that to write it, because it made me remember just, like, everything. And I was like, oh, memory. Yeah, but, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all that's been happening. There's really nothing new. I don't know if I told you, though, that I had to embrace my inner Jessie, and I was Jessie from Team Rocket for Halloween. I don't know if I sent you pictures. I'll send you a picture. Yeah. So, I'll talk to you soon.